Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel The Full Stack Guy. Today we are with a new video where we will be of course covering Java 8 APIs in which we have streams and those things, but I have little more interesting or different video for you guys. Okay, so okay, first of all, this is complete Java8 series, and if you want to explore all the features of Streams API, Collectors API specifically, please check my previous tutorials. So I have explained grouping by, partitioning by, flat mapping by, mapping in Collectors API. So there are little less content of this all videos on YouTube, but of course have a look. I have explained in very good manner how could you use these APIs or these features in your real-time application, which will help you do a good programming for your organization, maybe for your startups, to enhance your skills in Java 8 Streams API, Collectors framework, so on. Okay, so today here I am with a new video where I'll be covering takeWhile and dropWhile. Okay, so this API which was introduced in Java 9 for it's sort of filter. Okay, but there are there can be limited use cases for this APIs, takeWhile and dropWhile. So I have been using for my startup applications, where I've been developing startup applications for my clients, but uh, today I'm just going to share a small part of that. Okay, so of course I have written out the data as previously, where I have hard-coded values and all, so to save our time. But that is a small part. So what I'm showing today will be the small part of my startup application, where you can also take a look on how this is fitting in your application. Okay, take while drop while. It is important. It saves sometimes, because if you want to give feature such as after specific condition I want the whole data, or before specific condition I want the whole data. So after take while, before drop while. Okay, that is the thing. This is the thing which comes for these APIs. Okay, so here I am with a new example. So for our startup application, we were building a gym application. So we had certain gyms in our area, so we wanted to build some application, a platform for them. Okay, so this is a small chunk where I can explain you take while and drop while in really good manner. Okay, also just to tell you, before this we covered mapping, flat mapping, and these were our uh, actual data. If you see, so we covered joining and class. So this is our normal data, but it can also fit in some of the use case in employee departments and so on and so forth application, or just as I mentioned in all the videos, that you can write a application or use this according to your data. If you are working in an automobile company, if you are working in a finance application, so on and so forth. But this was our data, so please check out my previous videos if you want to learn more about it. Okay, now where does take while and drop while comes? So say take while and drop while is sort of works as sort of filter. So the thing is, I have this hard-coded data which I've been made for you guys. Okay, so say for example, let's start from filter. Okay, so this is of course our gyms list, okay, where we can which we can access. So this list having 3 gyms. This is just sample data, so this is very small data. I'm just not taking a large number of data because for our real application which we are building we have whole lot of data, and we have whole lot of things in features in a gym application. Okay, so but this is small chunk of data. So I'll just explain you the code first. So I have a class gym. Okay, in that I have simple gym name and a list of persons or people, you can say. People have name, age, calories, day, and miss. So this day, of course, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as you know. Miss is something that did that guy attended that day or came that day for gym or not. Okay, so this is miss, true or false. Okay, now again, if you see on top, so we have 3 gyms: fit, fine, health club. Okay, we have only single persons in this gym. Okay, just for simplicity. So in fit club we have Arjun. Arjun has this many. So Arjun, of course, the name will be same, age will be same, calories will be different. Every day how much calories is burned, and day will be different, and of course true and false is something like whether he came to the gym or not. Okay, this is one thing. Now what I want to see, I want to see in all the gyms. Say let's take for all the gym, and for all the gym, say we want to see what day did they came. Okay, what day did they came, which all days did Rahul, Satish and Arjun came. Okay, we also want to see, along with that, what all we want to see, we of course want to see day and calories burned. Okay, calories burned. So fair enough. What day did they came and what are the calories burned. So for this we have to access direct list, which is gyms list, because we have to check for all of them. So we are not going for a specific person. So in this, what we can do is we have this class gym performance, which gives us data. So if I do it gym performance dot gyms and dot stream. Okay, now I do flat map. So I have explained why flat map, I have explained in my previous videos. So please go and check my map versus flat map video. How can you use it in your real life? So this is now we have gym here because we are streaming on gym. So stream dot persons dot gym dot persons dot stream. Okay, and now what we do is we filter what all days did they come to gym. Okay, what all days. So as I said, I have one flag miss, which returns whether the person has came to gym or not, right? So I'll simply filter. So of course filter will come here. So person, of course now we have person. So person dot miss. So if this returns true, then only it goes further, or else not, right? And now what I want to see is I want to collect this, and I want to see what all like the who all went which day and what are the calories burned. So of course now what we'll do, we want key as Rahul, right? So or Arjun. So we will group this by name, right? Person dot get name, right? And what we will do, so see what we want name, which we got it already. We want value as calorie and day, right? Calorie and day. So now here it comes is we have to map that object. So now I create one more class, like for example class performance details right, performance details, right? In that we want okay, performance and details. Okay, now is the spelling correct? D. Now we want is calorie, right? We want calorie, and another thing we want is string day. Okay, uh, of course, we want a constructor. So command enter, or let's write a constructor. Public performance details. This constructor takes a person, and I just pass this dot calories equal to person dot. So this is also one good thing to learn now, guys, because this dot day is equal to person dot day. So you're mapping an object. Now what I pass is I just say mapping collectors dot mapping, and I say that performance detail is equal to new, right? I want a new performance detail, and I want to collect this in, say for example, unmodifiable list. Okay, so this is nothing but the example of filter. Okay, so let's give the name as people details when present. Okay, so these are the system dot out dot println. Here we are returning list of performance details, so we want a string here, right? So I'll just say toString, not super toString, toString of generated from wizard, and we got the performance. Now if I do it like this, now if I run the program, you will see Rahul went Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Is that true? Where is Rahul? Rahul went Monday, Tuesday and Friday. Yes, of course, because for other Mrs. Falls, Satish went Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. Of course, okay, no Wednesday. Okay, so but we have the details when they went along with day and their what I say, and their calories burnt. Okay, now okay, this is one filter example. But now dropWhile. How does dropWhile comes? Say for example, you want to see the total calorie burnt of a single person. Okay, of a single person when until he is going consistently. Okay, before missing any days. Then what I mean is, see, Rahul went for Monday, Tuesday. So I want to see the total calories burnt consistently. I don't want to see the calorie burnt after he has started missing. Okay, after he has started missing, right? So see, so total calorie burnt before he started missing is 500 and 400, which should come to 900. Okay, So let's do it for Rahul. So let's take Rahul directly, because we just don't want to play with complex logic, so that it would be difficult for you to understand. So what I do is simply I got Rahul data, okay, Rahul endurance, and then what I do is I do takeWhile, okay, takeWhile person. So until that is true, takeWhile when until person did not miss. Once he missed, I don't want anything. Okay. Map, of course, map to because we want to have the total number of calories and uh, name of person. Okay. So what I do is I do it like this. Say I did map to gym performance, and then what I do, I just collect it. How do I collect it? Of course, by name, right? So collectors dot grouping by. Okay, why is this not working? Let's see. What I did is, okay, performance detail. We want performance detail, not gym performance. Performance detail that new. Okay, because gym performance is of course the list we are streaming on, and now we also need here a parameter which is name, because now if I do gym detail, gym performance colon, I don't get sorry, performance detail colon, because I am mapping to this, right? So I don't get anything, right? Because I cannot group by any parameter. So I just enter a string name here. Okay, I just put this. Okay, I don't need a toString in this, but I of course need name equal to person dot name. See, this is also one good thing to learn, because we just want total calories burnt. Why should we add a name into toString, right? And there is no use of adding name into toString. And I mapped to performance detail. Now I want a getter of get name. I am grouping it by get name. Okay, and then I am passing collectors, and guys, do leave summing int. See, summing int on calories. So do watch my summing int and other things video, because I have explained it in very good manner, where you can get how can you use. So performance detail dot get calories. Okay, and now we have uh, calories burnt until missing. Okay, and now here what I do is system.out.println calorie burnt until missing. Now what I should get? Until missing is once he started missing, I don't want anything. I don't want to see whether he has burnt anything on Friday, because anyway it is less and it's not considered, right? So let's say now I should get? I should get something 900 until missing, and this is the example of takeWhile, guys. Okay, this is the example of takeWhile, and see, you have the answer that Rahul has burnt 900 calories. Of course, you can do it for all the persons by streaming on the gyms list. Okay, if shall we try it? Let's try it. On streaming on, let's copy this. Calories burnt for all. okay, and what I do is I do dot gyms, right, and here I do dot flatmap dot streams dot flatmap, where I say gym 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 dot persons dot streams, okay, and I don't want this, all right. So this is now for all the gym members until I'll just copy this, I'll just paste this here, I'll just copy this, I'll just paste this here. This what I did. See, first I streamed on endurance route directly, but now I am streaming on gyms list so that I can get for all the persons by just doing flat map. Now let's see. I doubt, but let's see. If not, then we will see what is wrong and so on. Okay, so now here we are just getting Arjun. So this is because once true it's, see, Arjun is true, we have and then it's false, it is not taking the other data. That is fine, okay, that is working as expected. And takeWhile, okay, and then it's once you miss, it's not even taking. So sometimes what happens, Rise, is because we are using streams, okay, and we are using grouping by, now what we can do is, here we have the example of takeWhile. Now let's remove this. Let's remove this. Say for example, until calories burnt, until they are missing, which is Rahul burnt calorie. Now we want to see after he has missed, okay. So let's check. So in this case, say for example, if I do for this after, I just copy it and paste it until after. So I don't want to take until he is doing it good, okay, like I don't want to take this true, take this true. I want to take after he has doing it bad. So of course here we should have 0 because he has missed. Here we should have 0, okay, right. Now see, after he has missed, we should have, of course, only like once he have missed, if we, and I think he has only came Friday, right, which is 100. So I should get some of I should get something like Rahul and 100, just Rahul and 100, and I'll do here dropWhile, right. Let's see if this is working. I am also seeing it for the first time, guys. So after he has missed, yeah, so Rahul, see, we have this Rahul 900 is for until, this is for after. So we have covered takeWhile and dropWhile. See guys, how can you use takeWhile, dropWhile? You also seen how can we use for complete whole gyms list. You also seen how can you use for a single person. So you have his performance here directly. So this you can use like in many different scenarios while you're working in your organization data, okay. So say for example, he also came on Thursday, so I just do it true here, and he burnt maybe say 250 calories. Okay, and now if I do, so I should get what I should get. I should get 300 and I should get 200 and 300, which should be 300, of course. Okay, 350. Okay, how is it 350? Okay, 250 and 100 is 350, right? So okay, so guys, this is the thing, how we do it. If you see, one, we have this thing like summing in. Of course, if you want to have the details, like um, after he missed, which all days did he went, so we can just do it like this. So which all day did he went is nothing but after missing. If you want to see which all days did he went, once he started missing, so I'll just take all this thing, unmodifiable grouping by name, and we don't want person. So here let's which all day he went after, which all day Rahul went after missing. Day Rahul went after missing. Cool. Sys out this thing. Day Rahul went after missing, and rather than summing it, what I do is I just do mapping. Okay, I just do mapping, and what I say is I want to see just days, or should we see name and day? Okay, name and day should be good, right? Because how could you no, this is anyway Rahul. So I just do mapping of get name. Okay, we just want a setter of get day. Okay, and what I do is I just do it get day, and I pass a list, unmodifiable list here. Even we have covered this, guys, collectors dot unmodifiable list, and I just do this list of string. This should be list of string, right? Because day is anyway a string. Let's see this, what it returns. Okay, string and list of string. Okay, so we have name and I believe the days he went. That is also good. So we should come as Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, once he missed, it also took the day which he missed. So what we can do is I believe we can filter that day, right? Because if we filter it, person dot miss, once you drop it, filter the day. Let's see, we don't want Wednesday. Let's see if we get Thursday, Friday, or else we will invert the condition. Okay, we just got Wednesday, and if we do this way, we will, I think I entered it wrong. So now we just have Thursday, Friday. What days did he get? After a dropWhile until he's missing, and then filter the day he missed. Okay, filter the day he missed and give me the day he went. So which is true things, which is Thursday, Friday. So this is how you can play with dropWhile, takeWhile, guys. because dropWhile, takeWhile are somewhere very useful in your while you're programming as well. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks, that's all for this video. I just wanted to cover how can we use dropWhile and takeWhile for our real-time example. So here we are developing a gym application. This is a small chunk of gym application which I have been presenting you, but we are developing a big gym application for the gyms which are in our area. So this is for this one, and I hope you learned it. I hope you got some value in this video, and thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.